have the vast majority of the medical facilities. But you go to Maryland, how many of you know where is Elkton, Maryland? Elkton, E-L-K-T-O-N, 3 of you. 4 of you. How many has visited Elkton, Maryland? Again, 2 of you. 4 of you. How many know Orissa in India? Very good, very good. Now, how many of you visited Baligai? 6 of you, very good. So, why I am saying, we all know Delhi, Bombay, Cuttack, Bhubaneswar, Hyderabad, Chicago, New York, Maryland, but we don't know Elkton, Maryland. We do not know Baligai, we do not know. That means we are far away from the reality. Now, my job today is to present some facts. Can I have my PowerPoint presentation, please? The reason why we selected Orissa, not by any chance, and grace of our Guru, who has a wonderful universal love for everybody, and he has been here he was here in Florida. He used to do a lot of homeopathy medicine. At that time, he came into this place in beautiful coastal area, Orissa. It is one of the great empires. I need control. If you are going to go to WHO, we are all ready. Okay. Is there a way I can control the PowerPoint or no?
No.
Okay, that's fine. This Odissi dance is that from Orissa. And from that state of beautiful melodious culture, the Mayuran Empire was invaded at one time. It was a country by name Kalinga. Now what happened? WHO, World Health Organization, studied in India, if you see the reports, who is not who, it is World Health Organization. 53, infant mortality rate is 53 per 1,000 live births. In rural area, about 76. Immunization, only 25% got immunization. And in general population in India, 50 of you got immunization, 50 of you did not get. And anemia, these are all simple. I am not talking about great heart diseases and all. Anemia, 68%, 30% of the children severely malnourished. And out of those, underweight boys, 35 years, 3 years and younger or 40%, and stunted growth, wasted growth, and between 6 to 35 months of the children are very, very anemic. Why I am saying you don't need to practice big medicine. Simple tests like hemoglobin and blood counts. Many of you are physicians here, won't cost a lot, but people cannot afford. But what does the Wall Street Journal say? You can go to India and get a bypass done. So if you have it and have not it, you can go to Bangalore as of today, even without your Blue Cross Blue Shield, you can compete with $10,000. You can get your bypass surgery. You can see India, half of the India, and come back. But again, there is that big disparity. Next slide, please. Hello? Maternal mortality. One woman dies every 7 minutes, whereas in Orissa, 9 minutes. 9 women die in 1 minute because of the pregnancy and complications, because they cannot afford to go to a doctor and prevent all this. So you see the numbers, and if you look at the bottom, what are the major medical problems? Protein malnutrition, vitamin A deficiency. As all of you know, if you don't take your vitamin in the younger ages, you get night blindness, you can't see at night. This is the skin infections, many. I do not want to spoil your appetite. I won't go into skin infections in detail. Let's go to the next. Okay, there are now at that point, Hariharananda decided, Swami Hariharananda decided, let me do what I can do. Like each one of you I know, you can do even in your own hometown, in your own home village, in your own community where you live right now. And he thought, this is what I am seeing. He has put in 4 permanent clinics. One is Jagatpur. Jagatpur is a slum area near Cuttack. Cuttack is the capital city. If I am not saying anything about facts about Orissa, please, you can come and tell me, and I like to be educated. And Jagatpur is a slum area. That is where the clinic is. And I talked to the doctor, Dr. Panda. He is a retired internist. He says he opens the clinic twice a week. I will give you the boggling numbers, how many people they see. And he spends between 4 o'clock to 8 o'clock at night, and another doctor goes on Tuesdays. And they give simple, but they don't have any test. They go by looking at the patient, examining the patient, history taking, that's it. And the Balagai Puri is much more defined. It is open there in India, they call it dispensary. I want you all pay attention because I am going to quiz you. If you fail the quiz, I am going to quiz again. So, I am going to ask the numbers too. And coming to Pentacota, actually it is Pantacota, somebody say. It is a beautiful coastal, but again these are fishermen. Their livelihood is going on to the sea coast, and when the men go on to the traded waters, you know what happens, some may not come back. And my friend Rosaline and Pramila will talk to you about the children, how they take care of them. And there they have an outreach clinic. Again, these are all simple examination, screening, they need a lot of facilities, but at least they are reaching people and trying to do what they can do. Bishindipur is in West Bengal. That statistics I don't have to present to you because I don't have the numbers. And they are all giving internist, a surgeon and a dentist and a pediatrician with the help of a pharmacist and a lab technician. They go and help these people. They conduct camps. Next slide, please. Okay, they also have mobile medical and dental clinics. When you say mobile, I'll show you the picture of the ambulance. The ambulance is provided with a dental chair and they do teeth extractions. How many doctors here did teeth extractions before they went into their subspecialty? It is an easy job, but how much the dentist gets? Dr. Johnson, how much you pay for your dentist? $210. Here they give it free. So, free. Why I am telling, these are serious matters. If you have the money, if you have your health care insurance, you can get everything. Here are the children. Half of them need teeth extraction. And most of us know how we took care of our dental. There in Orissa, I came to learn as I was reading, they use the bamboo stick. Whereas in Andhra